Ever felt like you're constantly juggling meetings, design sessions, you name it, and silently wishing for some magic tool to make it all manageable? Or perhaps you're so deep in managing your team and all those stakeholder expectations that the idea of a breather feels more like a luxury than a reality? If you're nodding along, know that you're in good company. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's chat about the kind of tools and strategies that aren't just about getting by in our IT leadership roles, but actually thriving. We're talking about finding that sweet spot where work and life don't just coexist, but complement each other beautifully. I'm Tina Marie Baugh. I have over 25 years of hands on experience in technology leadership. I aim to provide practical insights so seasoned tech experts turned managers can bridge the gap between their technical prowess and leadership excellence. First up, let's start by planning our day with a paper planner. Now, you might be wondering why a paper planner? We're IT professionals surrounded by cutting edge technology. The answer lies in the unique blend of focus, memory retention, and intentional planning that paper based planning brings to our high tech lives. Writing by hand does more than just record tasks. It engages the brain differently compared to typing, enhancing memory and making our goals feel more tangible. This tactile engagement is crucial for prioritizing effectively, allowing us to highlight our most impactful tasks that, once accomplished, significantly advance our day. A paper planner minimizes digital distractions, offering a focused sanctuary for reflection and strategic thinking. By identifying and focusing on our most impactful tasks, we ensure that our professional and personal actions are aligned with our broader life goals, promoting a healthier balance and reducing stress. It's about making intentional choices, ensuring our time is spent on what truly matters. So, why a paper planner in the digital age? It's about reclaiming our focus and directing it towards our most meaningful tasks and goals. It's a tool that amidst the whirlwind of technology grounds us in our intentions and helps us navigate our days with purpose and clarity. If you are interested, the paper planner I use is the Full Focus Planner. Second in our toolkit is getting our personal and professional tasks organized. Handling the whirlwind of both personal and professional tasks is a real game changer in IT leadership. Imagine having a magic wand that helps you sort through the chaos. Well, that's pretty much how I view the tools I use, which are Microsoft Outlook's task list for work stuff and Todoist for everything else. Getting everything into these lists lets me quickly review them when I have a pocket of time. If I have 15 minutes and high energy, I tackle a quick task like crafting an email requiring creativity. If I have 30 minutes but low energy, I pick a task that matches the low energy. By getting all our ducks in a row with these apps, it's much easier to see the big picture. It allows you to step back and figure out what really deserves your attention right now. This not only cuts down on the mental clutter, which, let's be honest, can be a lot, but it also helps keep the stress at bay, making sure we're not just constantly reacting to whatever pops up next. There's a great deal of research backing this up, showing that getting smart with how we manage our tasks can lead to feeling better about our jobs and less burnt out. It's all about shifting gears away from playing catch up with our tasks to actually setting the pace ourselves. This way, we're not just ticking boxes, we're making intentional choices about how we spend our time, both at work and at home. So, in the end, it's not just about being productive, it's about creating a life where we're genuinely thriving. Using the right tools to stay on top of our tasks helps us focus on what truly matters, making sure we're living our best life, both in the office and outside of it. The third tool in our toolbox is something seemingly simple yet profoundly impactful: a timer dedicated to fostering focused work sessions, allowing us to work smarter, not necessarily harder. For this, I lean on the Focus Keeper app, which harnesses the power of the Pomodoro technique, a time management method that is adaptable, typically involving periods of focused work like 25, 50, or even 90 minutes, followed by short breaks. This technique isn't just about productivity, it's a form of task focusing that ensures a critical balance between intense focus and relaxation, protecting against burnout. Here's why this matters for work life balance. By structuring our work into these focused blocks with breaks in between, we enhance our attention span and well being, ensuring we're not constantly on the verge of burnout. This method allows us to finish our workday feeling accomplished, with energy left to enjoy personal time. My rhythm? I participate in a lot of meetings. I target these to last 50 minutes, followed by a 10-minute break, applying the same pattern of 50 and 10 minutes to deep work sessions. During the 10-minute break, I walk, stretch, refill my water bottle, and do anything to get away from my desk and computer. Set your rhythms so they work for you. The Focus Keeper app simplifies maintaining this disciplined work break cycle with customizable intervals to suit your workflow. This approach promotes deep focus and genuine relaxation, allowing us to work smarter and live better, striking a balance that keeps us fulfilled across all aspects of our lives. Next in our toolkit for navigating the high stress world of IT leadership, dealing with stress. Many of us have read and heard enough to know that movement throughout the day, deep breathing, and meditation are all great ways to decrease stress. So, why aren't these part of our daily routines? For those of us glued to our computers in back to back virtual meetings, integrating movement isn't optional, it's essential. Wearable devices like the Apple Watch or Fitbit serve as gentle reminders to stand, stretch, or take a brief walk every hour. These small acts of physical activity can significantly disrupt our sedentary routines, reducing stress and enhancing focus. You may need to even turn off your camera and walk in place during a meeting to get movement in. Get creative and get moving. There are many skeptics in IT on the benefits of breath work and meditation. It all still can feel a little 1960s. It's worth considering a different perspective, though. Apps like Headspace offer mindfulness exercises that have been scientifically proven to reduce stress and anxiety. Think of it as a trial run, akin to testing a new software tool. Commit to a few weeks of regular, short mindfulness sessions and observe the impact on your mental clarity and decision making. The objective is to find practical, accessible ways to manage stress, leading to improved well being and leadership effectiveness. I have seen an impact when people take 5 mindful breaths 3 times a day. Even this small amount makes a difference. I know the difference for myself when I am meditating 10 minutes a day and when I am not is significant. Give it a try. You only have stress to lose. By encouraging movement and exploring mindfulness, we're not just tackling stress. We're fostering a leadership style that prioritizes balance, resilience, and health, both for ourselves and our teams. The last tool in our toolkit to help us achieve work-life harmony involves taking a closer look at our digital habits through app tracking. It's about gaining insights, not imposing restrictions. Tools like screen time on iOS and digital well-being on Android aren't just features, they're windows into our daily routines, revealing where our time truly goes. And let's be clear, this isn't about vilifying TikTok sessions or gaming breaks like Royal Match. Enjoyment is a vital part of life. The aim here is to cultivate awareness. Are we using our time in ways that align with our stated priorities? Or are we inadvertently letting precious moments slip away? This awareness lets us confront the question of whether we are using screen time as an avoidance tactic, not dealing directly with aspects of our lives or the people in them. Acknowledging that we don't need to be perpetually busy opens up space for what matters. Many of us profess that family and friends are paramount, yet our actions might tell a different story. With a clear picture of where our time is being spent, suddenly those pockets of lost time emerge as opportunities. Imagine deciding to call a parent, engage in a quick game with a child, or dedicate 15 minutes to learning the piano, a goal long spoken of yet never acted upon. In essence, understanding our digital consumption patterns allows us to make deliberate choices about how we spend our time. It empowers us to prioritize activities that bring joy, growth, and fulfillment, both in our personal and professional lives. The revelation here isn't just in identifying how much time we spend on our devices, but in recognizing the opportunities we have to enrich our lives in meaningful ways every day. And there we have it, 5 tools to help you master the delicate art of work-life balance as a modern IT leader. Today, we've taken a closer look at the tools and strategies that can help us plan our days, stay organized, improve focus, manage stress, and keep our digital habits in check. As we continue to navigate the vast and dynamic landscape of technology leadership, I invite you to dive deeper by checking out my other videos. Each one is designed to offer you actionable insights and strategies to enhance your leadership skills in the tech industry. Until next time, innovate, inspire, learn, and lead. You got this.